As a university, we are committed to providing all of our students with the best possible foundation for their future careers. Careers in full-time employment, self-employment, or in establishing their own enterprise. The current COVID pandemic has influenced us to review how we prepare our graduates for the world of work and their future careers. This pandemic will have a profound impact upon employment for many years to come. We have also reflected upon general employment trends. Many of us will have had 2 or 3 careers. We now know that graduates in future will have 12 or more careers. Furthermore, the future of work is going to be impacted upon by new and emerging technologies. To improve productivity, employers will have to employ automation and artificial intelligence. This will impact upon many occupations. Our graduates need to be able to contribute to and support these developments. This situation demands a radical shift in what we deliver. We have a duty to our graduates. We need to develop their resilience. We need to develop them as flexible, adaptable, digitally literate, lifelong learners. We have worked with a range of employers to identify the core competencies demanded of new employees. We have analysed what skills are required of entrepreneurs, and we have listened to our students as to what they want to achieve during their time with us. We are changing our curriculum to reflect the needs of employers and of our graduates. We are embedding in the majority of programmes the development of key graduate attributes which will give our graduates the best possible start to their careers. We will develop competent students via the 3 key graduate attributes of employability, the acquisition of digital skills, and to become lifelong learners. The university is committed to supporting all of its students, and we will deliver these attributes online as part of the normal programme of study. We now look forward to our students returning and to continue on their career journey with us, safe in the knowledge that we are preparing them for a successful future.